Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to create customized GIFs on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can turn any video or screen recording into a custom GIF with Samsung's built-in gallery editor or the Smart Select tool from the Edge panel. So you can trim, crop, add text or filters, and then save it as a GIF to share on social or messaging apps. So let me show you how to do this. So here we'll go ahead and create a GIF from a TikTok app. So go ahead and open up TikTok. Here we'll go ahead and search for GIFs. Say for example, you want to create a GIF out of this. So to create a GIF out of this, you want to go ahead and long press on it, tap on clear mode. So you have cleared all the overlay. Now here, if you want to create a GIF out of this, you want to go ahead and open up the Edge panel, tap AI select. This will select the whole screen. Next, you want to go ahead and tap on the three dots and we're going to go ahead and tap on create GIF. Now here, we're going to go ahead and start recording once this restarts. So here we'll go ahead and record. So this will record a 15-second GIF. And now that has been recorded, we'll go ahead and save it. So we'll go ahead and tap home and we'll go ahead and review this. So this is our GIF, which we have basically saved from TikTok. So now using this GIF, you can go ahead and share it on WhatsApp, Telegram, and we can basically share it anywhere you like. So this is great as you can express yourself with custom reaction, memes, or funny moments. So you made it right on your phone on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So there you go guys, that is how to create customized GIFs on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.